Bang. This is gonna bang, guys. Behind you.
No, on your bomb.
Dad, what's bringing up?
That's got some fire. Where's that?
It's gonna be a banger.
How did they just bang up? I'm ready for your son. I'm not ready. Please just put it in your ears.
Good
The
idea.
ears in your ears.
Yeah.
Do that.
I can't wait for the biggest. The biggest one has 150 loud. No, 105 loud. Fountain.
Be careful.
It's gonna be a banger.
I think it's
Green.
I'm not actually looking through my phone. I'm looking through my eyes and just having a recording.
I nearly fell over.
Me too.
Oh, no.
Fountain.
I was about to say the same word to you, then you said it.
Fountain is nice.
Do you want to record it?
Fountain.
Yeah.
Yep, this is a fountain. Yeah, probably green. Green.
Green. Oh,
No, white.
White and red.
And green. Green. I said green. I said green. I like these ones the most, don't you?
Fountains are the most quiet.
I'm scared of the rocket.
Guys, get ready.
That's another rocket, Bella.
Hey, fucking green.
Oh, this.
Boom. Well, lads, shouldn't you move the washing line? Oh, here you go.
Oh, fountain. Right, not a fountain. That's really big.
150 shots.
Hi, Dad. Yep, I can see your big one.
150. One just fell on me somehow.
Get back.
Boo, 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 boo. I feel like one's gonna be going down on me. They're all aiming on me.
Stop dropping around, remember. One side on back.
Okay.
Her mum said that she was.
I'm glad I recorded that.
This is fun. That was 105.
Correct.
That was so fun, matey.
And that's the end.
That is
Just
at the
kidding.
end.
So, this is almost the end. And we.
White and red.
Oh.
Yellow.
I got so scared.
Last one.
I'm so hungry.
Cheers, people. Even Dad's going.
This is okay.
Guys, ready for the best one?
Right, get ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh no.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, then my fingers get happy. I went like this. Oh, but my fingers are really Hey, what can you see those colours? Yeah. I'm going to take loads of them. Look, there's another one. I like this one.
Hey, there you go.
Well done. Thanks, Dad.
Have we stepped on the
Thanks, Dad.
Have we stepped on the grass? See the video?
Yeah, I've got to swap the meat and the potatoes.
Remnants time.
I want to see the video.
Oh, where's your sparklers?
Oh, the sparklers.
Oh, sparkler time. Easy.
Is sparklers. Here are the fireworks we just put.
Far.
Can you just put the phone down?
No.
This is the baby grass.
Baby bras.
Stepping on it.
Yes.
There you go.
Wait, let me get mine. Ready, I'm like, duck, ready. Let's go for your head.
Go for it.
Which way do we hold it?
Da, 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 da,
Which way? Which way do we hold it? On the metal. Which one? Dad, I don't know which way you
Oh,
hold
just
it.
keep your mouth
The shiny
shut.
bit, the thin bit, the stuff.
Keep it away from your face, Bella.
Don't touch that. Only touch the lid.
Mitty,
Expelliarmus!
You don't even know what that is.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo!
Explode.
Exploder! Fucking Malboro! Who should touch it?
Oh, sorry.
Benny just ruined the whole night by saying that.
Benny, you're getting posted to YouTube.
I want to touch
Abracadabra.
Guys, get near my fingers! Abracadabra, bibbidi boo! Leave it there!
Nuclear bomb. I cast
Shield!
nuclear bomb.
Shield!
Explode. Mahaha, magic.
What's it do with it?
Mine's literally bending down.
What are you doing? Why are you...
in the fire, yeah.
Into the fire pit you go.
That doesn't work.
This is my family.
Red.
It's not running out.
I need light.
Second go.
Round two.
Oh, seconds.
I'll have it in a minute.
I like having seconds.
Second.
Close that door, please. I don't want all the smoke going in there.
Benny, you're literally carrying 2 at once.
Here you go.
Mine. My hands are sweaty.
Who needs to be listened?
Mine is finished.
It's finish yours.
I don't even have one for the head.
Ooh. A jump start. Explodious. Oi.
Fucking mouth.
Oh, explode. Fire. Fire.
Let's get little fingers.
Fire. Get fired. Fire.
Firecracker.
I cast.
Look at Reggie's.
Oh, what?
Whoa. Reg, show it up right.
Oh, mine got 3.
Yeah, his has 3. You can't probably see it though.
Oh, they went out.
Yeah. Oh, explode. I cast.
Near my fingers. 2 near my fingers.
I cast 1 no more use. I've still got a lot of power left. Mwahaha. Explode. No more magic for you. Boom.
Hey, no magic for you.
I've still got a bit.
Get away from me.
Nope, you don't have any magic.
No more magic for you.
I shall turn it off.
Meaty. Expelliarmus.
Up.
Ready, Kelly?
Punch.
Expelliarmus. Expelliarmus. Did it run out?
Get punched.
Fire!
Get back. I've got fist. Fist of power. You can't see my fist. Up.
Expelliarmus.
Ah.
Expelliarmus. Expelliarmus. Expelliarmus.
Jump.
Punch.
Ah. Punch.
No, don't stop.
Wow. Oh yeah.
Watch out.
Taser.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Expelliarmus! Idiot! Lordy, lordy, law!
Orcalero, Orcalar, power off!
Put it in the fire now, Reg.
Meaty, you literally said it.
Put it in. Okay, Reg. No problem. Put it in the fire, Reg.
I'm not